Okay, the first meal would be a crock pot meal. I love using a crock pot because all I gotta do is put it in there and let it cook. So what I did, I turned the crock pot on hot, let it get hot, and then I added the onions, the bell peppers, the celery, and I added some minced garlic in there. And then I put the top on, and I'm just letting it cook. So I have the top on and I'm gonna let it cook for 1 minute. I'm gonna need 6 to 8 cups of liquid. So what I do is add in a whole jar of spaghetti sauce of my choice, the 24 ounce, and I'm pouring in there, so that's 1 cup. That's 2. So it gives you 2.5. But then what I do is I pour water in here and pour water in here and use that water. Then I add my 2 tablespoons of sea moss. Stir that up well. Mix it in, mix it in. Alright guys, now I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes with the lid on. And now I'm going to add in my 2 cups of dried lentils that I rinsed. Alright guys, so now that I put everything in there, I will add the seasoning to my liking, and then I just let it cook all day. And then once it's done cooking, I poured over some noodles, and then I added some carrots and asparagus. Now I have a special guest while we're cooking our chickpea stew. And when you saute your onions, you add a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of garlic. Stir, stir, stir. Stir that up. Add water as needed. Whoa. Say whoa. Stir, stir, stir. Bell peppers. You do 1/2 cup of bell peppers. Stir, stir, stir. Just chop a half one up and put it in there. Stir, stir, stir. Done? Okay. Then after you add the bell peppers, you're gonna add 1 celery stalk chopped. There you go, boo. Stir, stir, stir. You got it? Are you all done? Pour it in there. You're going to pour your chickpeas. Two hands. Pour it in there. Good job. Now you got to what?
Yeah.
Stir, stir, stir. Yeah, stir, stir, stir. Are you stirring, dude? I'm gonna do one and we're gonna one tablespoon. You go. Stir. One and a half, huh? Yeah, one tablespoon. Yeah, you gotta stir it up. Yeah. Yeah, one half. One half, so 1 tablespoon of complete seasoning. What did you do? 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir, stir, stir. Dash of black pepper. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Uh-oh. It's okay. A dash of liquid smoke. Mix it up, dude. Are you stirring, dude? 1/4 cup of milk. Then 1 cup, 2 cup. Whoa, dudes.
Water.
Are you gonna cover it and let it cook?
Water.
Let it simmer for 30 minutes. Just beat it. Beat it. Beat it.
Wow.
For 30 minutes. Can you say 30?
Okay.
30 minutes.
Guys, Mama's been making plates and making the food ready. We're having a bean, rice, and some plantains. Some vegetables, guys, that we're going to be having. So please like and subscribe. Hit the bell. See all our new videos.
Alright guys, so now we're going to make some black beans too. We're going to start off with sauteing onions. Now that I let the onions cook down, we're going to add the celery. You only need 1 celery stalk. Chopped. Stir that up, stir it in real good. Stir, 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 stir. Let's stir it in today. Alright, now that you stir it in, you let it cook for like 30 seconds and then you're going to add your garlic. Garlic. 1 teaspoon. 2. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix them veggies. Mix them veggies. Alright guys. Don't forget your bell pepper. Do not forget your bell pepper. This little base roux here make all your dishes taste delicious. Alright, mix that in. Make sure you have your stove on medium while everything is just sauteing and cooking. Leave it on medium. I'm gonna add these carrots. Get you like 2 carrots, chop it up. Put it in here. Let that saute and cook down. Alright, let it cook down for like a minute or 2, depending on how you like your toughness of your carrots. Alright, now that we let these carrots cook, we're going to add some seasoning to the pot. We're going to use half a tablespoon of salt, sea salt. a tablespoon of complete seasonings. 1 teaspoon of curry powder. And 1 teaspoon of Creole. Alright guys, now that you put all your seasoning in, you're gonna stir it in and mix it well. And mix that in. Alright, you have that mixed in. Now we're gonna add our tomatoes. Never can get wrong with tomatoes. You're gonna add your 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Stir that in, mix it well. Then you're gonna add in your fire roasted can of tomatoes. It's only 14.5 can, but it's gonna be fire roasted. Then you mix that in. This looks so good. You know we're gonna have this over some rice, brown rice. Alright y'all, so now I'm gonna add liquid smoke, 8 squirt. Mix that in. Now we're gonna put the top on it and put it on low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. We're gonna add my sea moss in here. 2 tablespoons of sea moss. And you're gonna mix that in well. And then you're gonna season it to taste. Just sprinkle a little bit, don't do too much. Don't overdo it now. And you mix that in. When you mix that in, you mix it in good and well. Now let's make the plate. I put the rice on the plate, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the black bean stew over the rice. Okay guys, there goes the black bean stew over rice. And now we're going to see how the kids like the food. Alright guys, how do y'all like it?
It's great. These are hard palms taste just like shrimp.
Okay. What about you, Jay?
It tastes good. The hot palms, the beans, the salad tastes very good.
Deuce? It was good? Okay. Koi?
Good. Good. I'm good.
Alright.
Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I can see all the new videos. I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace.